day has begun for the construction team. Let's take a look at the orders. These are the orders we need to complete today. Construction team, roll out! Can't get through. Push the dirt out of the way so we can get through. Woohoo! The dirt is pushed in. Mew, what happened? My cargo ship tipped over and all the goods fell into the sea. Can you help me scoop them up with an excavator? No problem. The excavator is on the move. Kids, which construction vehicle should we use here? Excavator. Are scattered in the water. Let's scoop them up. Drag the excavator to find the goods. Mission accomplished. Order complete. Good job. Let's move on. Next order. Time to equip the magical item. Help me? Leave it to me. Bulldozer, let's go! Kids, which construction vehicle should we use here? Bulldozer. Drag the bulldozer to shovel up the building. Put the building in the pit with the same shape as it. Great! Now let's put the rest buildings in the corresponding pits.